So the first thing I do is wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Okay, I'm totally just joking and this was totally fake. But I do kind of wake up like that, and then I look around the room and I'm like, where am I and what planet am I on? And then I get up out of bed and I head on to the kitchen and I make myself some coffee or tea. And today I'm going to be having some tea. This is some pumpkin spice tea and you can find it at Walmart. And then I like to open up the little blinds here in front of my glass sliding door and open up the door since the weather's nice and just have the little screen open there so I can feel the warmth. And then I also like to open up all the blinds on all my windows to let all of the sunshine come through. I really enjoy natural lighting rather than, electric lighting. I think natural lighting is just so gorgeous. So then I'm taking my tea here, and yes, I just opened the door with my foot because my hands were full, okay, and I'm talented. Anyway, so now I'm going to get back in bed with my tea. I'm going to relax, enjoy my tea, and look around on social media and all that fun stuff. So now I'm heading back into the kitchen and I'm going to take these little multivitamins here. These are chewy vitamins and they taste really good and they're filled with lots of vitamins, so I like them. And now I'm going to start making my bed. I'm just taking everything off of my bed. And I'm going to take this little spray mixture here in a minute, which is a mixture of water and Suavitel, and I'm just going to spray my sheets and pillows and everything with it because it smells really good and it just makes everything smell fresh. So I like to start off by making my bed first. For one, it gets me in the mood to clean, and two, it makes me not want to get back in bed because then my bed is all nice looking and I don't want to mess it up. So go ahead and make your bed first before you do anything else. It'll get you in the mood to clean, trust me. So I'm going to make my bed, and then after I'm done making my bed, I am going to clean the bathroom a little bit and vacuum. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Believe it or not, there's actually a lot of things I do in between time that you're not seeing on camera, and I just don't really include it in there because I don't want to take up too much time. And it's just like little things like getting rid of garbage in my room, putting things away, and like wiping off my nightstands and all that. I just feel like it would take too much time if I put everything in there. But just so you know, there is a lot of things I do in between time of filming. So now that I am done with my bedroom and my bathroom, I'm going to go ahead and get started in the rest of the apartment. So I am vacuuming my hard floors, which I feel like I'm going to get some hate about, but it's the only vacuum I have right now. I know there's a lot of other options for doing stuff like this, but for the time being, this is the only vacuum I have. So I vacuum the entire floor with this vacuum. Rugs, hard floor, whatever, because it's my only option, like I said. Hopefully in the future I can get something different for the hardwood floor, but as of right now, this is what I'm going to use. And you know what? There's too much floor for me to sit there and sweep, and I ain't about to do it. So now I'm spraying my futon down with that same mixture that I used on my bed, as well as my curtains. And now I'm going to wipe down my futon with a wet rag. It's microfiber, so I like to vacuum it and wipe it down so it's fresh and clean. Thank God it's finally time to wear shorts. I'm so happy about this, guys. So I am going to step outside for a few minutes. Literally nothing makes me happier than sunshine and warm weather. Look how gorgeous it is outside. So I put on my super cool sunglasses. And yeah, I'm gonna sit outside for a little bit. Join me. Actually, I think I'm going to show you this amazing tree that's like literally right outside of my apartment. Not this bush, okay? Step out. Got this big hill behind our place, but look at this tree. It's so beautiful. It is absolutely huge, and I can literally come underneath it, and it's like a little magical spot, and see all the little flowers are falling. So there's actually 3 of these trees lined up, which make it just this big beautiful covering if you wanted to come sit out in the shade. However, I would prefer some sun right now. Look how pretty. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that, but I'm heading back to the patio over here. And I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the sunshine. So I really want to sit out on my patio, but for some reason these bees decided to make a home in my chairs outside. Like, there's little holes up underneath our chairs, and the bees are flying up in there and living in there, so every time I go outside the bees are just everywhere, and no, I don't do bees, so I'm just gonna sit out here until maybe Alan gets rid of the bees. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit outside for a little bit. I actually finished cleaning everything. I wasn't able to record everything because my battery died, so I had to recharge it, but I've literally cleaned everything in my apartment. Every room, I vacuumed every floor, I've wiped off every counter. I've cleaned everything, so I'm just gonna relax outside and hopefully get a little color. Oh, what was that? And then I'm probably gonna go inside in a little bit, maybe make myself something to eat, and I'm also going to be working out today. So I decided to put some tennis shoes on and go for a walk. It's been a long time since I've been able to do anything like this, so I'm excited. Oh, I look bad. So, look at this beautiful view. It's so gorgeous out here. Look at these beautiful vacuum lines in the grass. So pretty. Okay guys, seriously, that walk just killed me. I thought I was going to have a heart attack. That goes to show me how much I'm out of shape. But, you know, I haven't been on a walk like that in a really long time since it's been cold here. Ever since like 2 days ago. It just started getting warm, and I'm not the type of person to go out in the cold. Don't like it, won't do it, no thank you. So, I'm sweaty, I'm out of breath, my legs and my butt is killing me, but thank you Lord I made it back home. Okay, so anyways, I think I'm going to lay down on the floor and die for a little bit, drink me some water, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. So after I laid on the floor and died for a little bit, I drank some water, and then I actually did another workout, which I didn't record because I'm not in the mood for people to be like, you're not doing that right. You know, you do you and I do me, okay? So now I'm just making myself a little smoothie here with some frozen fruit, peanut butter, and some protein powder. And then I'm going to sit down at my kitchen counter with my laptop and do a little work, check some emails and stuff like that. Just taking a little break, okay? Please believe me when I tell you some time had passed in between me drinking that smoothie and eating this food, okay? I don't want you to think I drank a smoothie and then just started eating again. So here I'm having some leftover goulash with cottage cheese. It was so good, girl. I think I ate it like 2 days in a row because it was that good. And now I'm just going to get started on some laundry. As you can see here, I am separating things. It makes doing laundry so much easier. When you're going to fold your clothes, separate your towels from your clothes, and it'll get done a lot faster and it won't be as annoying, because sometimes folding clothes is annoying to me. So this makes it a lot easier when you just separate everything. And now I am going to pamper myself a little bit. I'm taking some mayonnaise and I'm going to use it as a leave-in conditioner. Mayonnaise is actually really good for your hair. It's got oils, it's got eggs. I mean, mayonnaise has got it going on. So if your hair is dry and you need a good leave-in treatment, pull out that mayonnaise, girl. You ain't got to go to the store and buy nothing else. Just get the mayonnaise out, put like however much you need in a bowl, and then just start putting it all over your head, everywhere. And then put your hair up in some buns or braids, whatever you choose, and leave it on for like 30 minutes or an hour, and you are good to go. Your hair's gonna feel good, girlfriend. While I'm letting that mayonnaise set in my hair, I'm gonna put some white strips on my teeth, and then I'm also going to paint my nails because there's not much else I can do with mayonnaise on my hair. I can't walk outside or do anything else. So yeah, I'm gonna whiten my teeth and paint my nails with this clear polish. So in a second, I'm going to be showing you guys the shampoo and conditioner I've been using lately. It is from a company called Many Ethnicities. It is made with love, understanding, and science. Many Ethnicities was created by Dr. Ina specifically to address the unique hair challenges of multi-ethnic people. And this is actually my favoriteest part of the video because I am doing a giveaway, because this company has sponsored a giveaway for my followers. So one winner is going to win the shampoo, the conditioner, and the moisturizing leave-in cream. All you have to do is check out the description down below for instructions on how to win these products. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And yeah, just read all the details in the description. I'm going to share more information about the products and more information about the company. But yeah, so I'm so excited to be doing another giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. I have been loving this 3-piece set. They work so well with my hair and they smell amazing. And also I was sent these for free for a review from the company and Octoly. So now that I'm out of the shower, I'm going to start putting my makeup on, but first I'm going to apply this product from Skin Iceland. It is a brightening eye serum with Arctic peptides. I got this free from Octoly and from the company Skin Iceland for a review. It is a supercharged eye primer serum designed to optimize the immediate depuffing, line smoothing, eye brightening benefits of hydro cool firming eye gels while providing targeted wrinkle repair, intense hydration, and improved elasticity over time. This stuff is so moisturizing and a little bit goes a long way, and I have been using it on the daily and I love the way it feels under my eyes. So now I'm actually just going to shut up for a few minutes and let you watch this video because I know I've been talking a lot, but let me just say really quick, I'm starting off with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid just to cover up some of the darkness. And then I'm going in with this liquid liner from Gerard Cosmetics. It's called the Eternal Eyeliner, and it's got a little thin felt tip, and it's super easy to apply. It goes on really smoothly and it stays put really good too. And I also received this complimentary for a review from Octoly and from Gerard Cosmetics. Okay, just saying. And now I'm going to shut up. Once again, there is a lot of stuff I did in between time of filming. I just didn't want to add every detail in here because I did not want the video to be too long. But as you can see right now, I only have like eyeliner on the top of my eyes, but by the time I'm finished, I actually added so much more. I added eyeshadow, I put mascara on my bottom lashes. I just actually did a lot of stuff in between time, just so you know. And now I am going to start curling my hair. I'm using this new iron I just got that I really like. It is from a company called High Beauty Concepts. I'll post the link down below in case you guys want to check it out. This curling iron is just so smooth and silky feeling, and I like the way it makes my hair look. So actually, while I was finishing getting done, Alan ended up coming home and we just sat for a little bit and relaxed, and then I started cooking. So I'm cooking me and my man some dinner, y'all. I'm making some pork chops, some baked potatoes up in the microwave, and some corn on the cob. And here is the food finished. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely delicious and we ate like little pigs. But now it's time to clean the kitchen up. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this part of the video. I'm going to clean the entire kitchen because that's just what I do. So as you can see now, I am completely done cleaning the kitchen, and then Alan and I just went out on our back patio and relaxed and enjoyed this beautiful weather that God has blessed us with. And in a second, I'm going to be showing you guys the little bee flying up in the hole of my chair because I wanted y'all to know I was not lying about that. These bees have made a home in our chairs. See it? Okay, so this is going to be the end of the video. It is 8:50 something, and pretty much I'm just going to put my pajamas on and wash my face and relax, watch some TV, maybe some Lifetime movies, and then go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!